Hello students. Today we will going to start a new chapter, lesson 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. Now student, what is the meaning of conservation? Conservation means to save for future. So we have to conserve, as in the last chapter also we have studied that conservation of fossil fuel, conservation of natural resources are important for us. In the same way, in this chapter we will going to discuss the conservation of plants and animals. Now before starting the chapter, let us introduce with few important terms which you are going to face in this chapter again and again. That is, first is the ecosystem. Now, what is ecosystem? See students, we live, the surroundings, we जितने भी living things होते हैं, all living things require some surroundings for their living, right? In surroundings, there might be some living things, there might be some non-living things. So all the plants, animals, interaction of plants and animals and other non-living organisms, non-living things, it can be soil, water, climate, ठीक है? The interrelationship between the living and the non-living component of that particular area is called an ecosystem, right? So I'm writing the definition on the board. Ecosystem consists of all the plants, animals and microorganisms, microorganism in an area, means in a particular area, along with all the non-living component, along with all the non-living component, such as river, water, climate, etc. So that is ecosystem. The example of ecosystem, like pond ecosystem, pond mein there are fishes, living things, plants, and moreover there is water also, and sand, silt also, microorganisms also. So we can say the pond ecosystem, right? So ecosystem is the interrelationship between the plants, between the living things and the non-living things of particular area. Now let us see the second term, that is species. Okay, let us see the second term, species. Now, species is a group of organisms that are similar to each other and can reproduce within the group. So species are the group of similar organisms. They are similar organisms and they have the ability to reproduce within the group. Like species of dog, species of tiger. So they contains the same kind, same characters. Alright. The next is the biodiversity. Biodiversity means, as the name says, bio means the living things, diversity means the different things, different living things, okay, of which are present in a region, in a particular area, that is called biodiversity. Or in other words, you can say that variety of plants, animals and microorganisms generally found in an area is called biodiversity. ठीक है ना? क्या हो गया इसकी definition? It is the variety of variety of plants and animals. Variety of plants and animals found in a particular area or in a region is called biodiversity. Like if it is asked you, what is the biodiversity of a garden or park? You can say that in garden you can see butterflies, you can see grasshopper, plants, mud. Okay, so means these are the living things which are present in that particular area, including plants and animals. That is called the biodiversity. Alright. So the next term is related to biodiversity, that is the flora and fauna. Flora and fauna. Okay. Flora is related to the plants. Plants or trees, right? The plants found in the region is termed as flora, and the animals found in particular region is termed as fauna. So animals के लिए we generally use the term fauna, and plants के लिए we generally use the term flora. Right? Next term is deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees. Deforestation क्या होता है? Is the cutting down of trees and using that land for commercial purposes, like for making it buildings over that, making roads, or increasing the agricultural land by cutting down the trees, right? So that is deforestation. It is mainly the cutting down of trees. See, forest, as you all know, forests are the reserve of many things. Forest gives you many products, right? So forests are very important natural resource for us. Like forest gives us valuable products. It can be like you get timber for construction, for making furnitures, right? And forest also gives you fuel like wood pulp, latex, right? Latex for the manufacture of rubber it is used, resin, gums, lac, and forest also contains many medicinal plants. So to protect, and forest also protect wildlife, the wildlife which depends on forest for food and shelter, right? So they help in maintaining the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen, means they purify the air also. They regulate the temperature of the earth. Okay, forest also regulate, they maintain the water cycle in nature by releasing water during transpiration. Transpiration, like evaporation, the loss of water in the form of droplets from the aerial parts of the plant or the trees is called transpiration. So when forest is there, then there will be more transpiration and the temperature will remain cool. They maintain the water table, yes, by absorbing the rainwater with the help of their roots. Okay, and they also prevent soil erosion. Now, soil erosion is loosening of the soil and moving the topsoil to the another part by the action of wind, water. So it happens, right? So soil erosion happens due to deforestation also, because plants hold the roots of the plants holds the soil, binds the soil, right? And when the trees cut down, when the deforestation occurs, then the soil become loosen of that area, loosen the soil, and the soil moves from one place to another. This is called soil erosion. So plants also checks the soil erosion, or you can say it prevents soil erosion. So we have done deforestation and what are the causes of deforestation and what forest gives us. So in this video, keep watching students, okay? Thank you for now.